Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome to another class of our chemistry e-learning class. Today we shall continue our topic of discussion, carbon and its compound. For today we shall discuss another important subtopic under carbon and its compound, that is gasification of coke. In our last class, we talked about the destructive distillation of coal, and we said one of the products of the destructive distillation of coal is coke, and coke is useful especially in the production of fuel gas such as water gas and producer gas. This is the origin of gasification of coke. The following gaseous fuel are produced from industrial gasification of coke. So when coke combined with other gases like steam, like air and any other gases, the two important gaseous fuel are produced. One is water gas, the second one is producer gas. So in your final exam, when you're asked to mention two gaseous fuels produced from coke, the answer is water gas and producer gas. What is water gas? Water gas is a mixture of carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. Water gas is a mixture of carbon dioxide CO and hydrogen gas H2. How does water gas formed? Water gas is produced by passing steam over red hot coke at a temperature of about 1000 degrees Celsius. So when coke reacts with steam at the temperature of about 1000 degrees Celsius, water gas is produced. That is the mixture of CO and H2. This is the equation of reaction. Carbon here represent coke. I told you in our last class that all allotropes of carbon has the symbol C. So C here represents coke, and H2O gas here represents steam. When they combine together at a temperature of about 1000 degrees Celsius, the mixture of CO and H2 is produced, and the mixture of CO and H2 is known as water gas. What are the uses of water gas? Water gas is used to remove carbon dioxide from fuel cells. So all the engines that are using fuel gas, if there is any trace of carbon dioxide in them, water gas is used to remove carbon dioxide. Number 2, water gas is the most efficient constituent of fuel gas. So water gas is of better fuel than all other fuel gas. The second one is the producer gas. What is producer gas? Producer gas is a mixture of carbon dioxide and nitrogen gas. Producer gas is a mixture of carbon dioxide CO and nitrogen gas N2. Producer gas is produced by passing stream of air over white hot coke. So producer gas is produced by passing stream of air over white hot coke. That is, when coke reacts with air at very high temperature, producer gas is formed. Carbon here, C here represents coke, and O2N2 here represents air, because in here we have nitrogen gas is about 78% of the volume of air. Oxygen gas O2 is about 21% of the volume of air. Though carbon dioxide is also present in here, but the composition of CO2 present in here is not that much, so we ignore CO2. Now, when coke combine with air, it produces CO and nitrogen gas. So the mixture of CO, that is carbon dioxide, and nitrogen gas, known as producer gas. What are the uses of producer gas? Producer gas is used primarily as industrial fuel for iron and steel manufacturing industry. Producer gas is used primarily as industrial fuel for iron and steel manufacturing industry. I want you to take note here. Water gas is of better fuel than producer gas because water gas consists of two flammable and combustible gases, while producer gas contains flammable and non-flammable gas. Therefore, water gas has high calorific value than producer gas. So, the reason why water gas is of better fuel than producer gas is that water gas has contains two flammable and combustible gases. It means CO, carbon dioxide, present in water gas is a combustible gas, and hydrogen present in water gas is also flammable and combustible gas. They burn with high calorific value, while in producer gas is only CO that is combustible and flammable gas, while nitrogen gas is non-flammable and non-combustible gas. It means water gas has two combustible gases of high calorific value, while producer gas has only one combustible gases. So water gas is of better fuel than producer gas. We are going to stop here for this week. You are being advised to check your portal for the assignment for the 6th week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.